Good morning, students. Today, let us continue our chapter and let us discuss about attributes. Now, attributes are special words used inside the tag to control the behavior of a tag. They provide extra information to the web browser about how to apply the tag. Attributes are always placed in the opening tag. Now, here example is given font and its attribute are given Arial, color and size. Now see, attribute, when we talk about attribute, it is the way a font will appear. Now if you write font, only the font will appear, the text will appear, but what will be the color, what will be the size, it will be decided by the attribute, what attribute you are using with the font. Understood? Next, structure of the HTML document. Each HTML document begins with HTML tag, that is opening tag, and ends with HTML tag, that is closing. Okay, a forward slash is given there. So within these tags, the HTML documents are divided into two parts. So whenever you see a structure, whenever you will see the document structure of HTML tag, you will find two parts, that is head and the body. And in the head part, you will have only the title tag. And this title tag, when you write the title tag, it appears in the title bar. And body, it will be the output, it will be displaying on the screen on the web browser. So body part will be displayed on the web browser. Next, all the contents that appear in the web browser window is placed inside the body section. So whatever is displayed on the web browser, it is written in the body section. Text placed inside the title appears in the title bar, as I told you earlier. Now the steps to create a HTML document. Now when you want to create a HTML document, you need to follow certain steps. Now step number 1, you need to open a notepad or wordpad. So we will be doing in notepad. Next, type the HTML program. So whatever program you will learn, for trial you can just type this. Those who have computer at home, you can type this program which is given here, and you can save the file by choosing the save as option from the file menu. So you will see here file menu is there, and when you save, as I earlier told you, you need to save it with .html or .htm. So while saving, just keep in mind to save it with the extension. No, so if you are writing, suppose you are writing school, so school.html, you have to follow this instruction. Okay, after saving it, you need to view. Now viewing a HTML document or HTML file in a browser. So after creating a HTML document, to open it in the web browser, you can just see the steps here. What is the step given here? So you need to open the browser and then go to the maybe browser. No, you can go in any of the browser. You have Google Chrome or Internet Explorer, Firefox, you can go there. You can go to choose the file option, then click on open. The Microsoft Internet Explorer dialog box gets displayed. In the Microsoft Internet Explorer dialog box, select the name of the HTML file to be opened. Next, you just need to follow the fourth step, click on OK, and then the web page will be shown on the screen as it is here. Now let us discuss the body tag. Now body tag, when we create a blank HTML document, if the body section is left blank, you will see nothing on the screen, and the body tag is the central and the most important part of the HTML document. So whenever you want to write a HTML program, you have to use the body tag. So if you don't write anything in the body, your output will be 0, nothing will come. So if you are writing the title, then title will come in the title bar, but in the body section nothing will come. So if we can also change the background color of the body. Now to change the background color of the body of the page, you can use bg color attribute like this. So here one example is given there. Next, using a picture as a background. To use some pictures instead of colors in the web page background, you can use the background attribute like this. So if you don't like to use color, background color, if you don't want to give, you can use pictures in your background. And when you use the pictures, you just remember, you have to see that the file is in your computer. Now here one example is given. In this example, body background equal to file name dot extension. So whatever extension it may be in your computer, you can check. So you can find out in the properties, you can right click on the picture and go to the properties to find out the file name and extension. So here name of the file you have to select, you have to see from the properties, and then you can write down this code. Now in yellow highlighted color it is given. So body background equal to the file name, you have to write it within the double quotation. So you can insert the picture as a background. Now to change the text color, by default it is always black color. So if you want to change the text color, you have to use the attribute body text and then you have to write the color. Whatever color you want, you can write there, but don't write white in a white background. Don't use white color, otherwise nothing will come on the screen. Creating heading, the next topic. So to create the titles or the subtitles in a new section of your web page, you can make the use of the HN tag. What is this HN? N means number, where N is a number ranging from 1 to 6. So when you are using heading tag, you can use 1 to 6. Only 1 to 6 is allowed. So H1 is the largest heading and H6 is the smallest heading. So if you use H1, it will give you the largest heading, and H6 will give you the smallest heading. So as you see, there is an example given, so you can just follow. This is the heading, then next one is also H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6 is given here. So if you want to use this code, if you want to try this code, here coding is given. The next topic is horizontal rule. Now horizontal rule tag is used to display a horizontal line across the web page. So it will help you to give an output of a line. A line will come on the screen, horizontal line. In case you want to change the size, thickness, color or alignment of the horizontal line, you can use any of these attributes. So there are 4 attributes. You can take help of those attributes and you can modify the horizontal line. So that's it for today. Next we will be discussing in our coming classes. Next part we will discuss. So thank you so much for listening.